Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shiba Inu. Binance have been showing great support for Shiba Inu. This is one thing I love about Binance. Once Binance lists a particular coin, you will see that coin massively increasing. You will see that coin pumping more. Binance are the biggest exchange in the world, and that is why so many people want to buy coins before Binance will actually list such coin, because when they do, you'll be expecting a massive increase in price. Now, on a daily basis, 33% of Shiba Inu coins is being traded on Binance as of on a daily basis. You can see almost 40% of Shiba Inu coins is being held on Binance. This is amazing to see that in a day, almost 33% of Shiba Inu coins is being traded on Binance. Binance are really supporting Shiba Inu when they listed Shiba Inu, and since when they listed Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu also gained a massive increase in price. Well, to me, I think Binance and Coinbase, of course, they are really doing well for Shiba Inu. But let's keep hoping that not just Binance, not just Coinbase, of course, other crypto exchanges have been doing well. They want to see Shiba Inu increase because so many people actually bought and purchased Shiba Inu. Let me tell you one thing to understand. Apart from Ethereum, apart from BTC, apart from BNB, one of the coins a lot of people actually bought was Shiba Inu. Even though Shiba Inu actually hit millions of percent increase, a lot of people still believe that this coin will actually hit 1 cent. That's why a lot of people rushed to buy Shiba Inu. And though I know Shiba Inu have lost almost 1,000% since Shiba Inu hit its all-time price, that was in November 24th, 2021. But I still believe Shiba Inu is going to hit another massive increase in price very soon. But holding Shiba Inu is a great thing, it's a great idea. But remember, do not invest what you cannot afford to lose, because that is the golden rule in crypto industry. But I still believe with the support that we're getting from Binance, from Coinbase, from Kucoin, from Crypto.com, and other crypto exchanges that have listed this coin, Shiba Inu is about to pump. Shiba Inu is going to pump very soon. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.